Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of, unbagging, revealing a couple of purchases I've made from a new to me brand, Maison de Sabre, and they're kind of fun, so stick around. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, designer handbags, SLGs, your expensive cup of coffee, whatever you like to treat yourself to. That's what I'm all about. So if you want to subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. Like, comment, share, all the things that YouTube asks us to do. I'd really appreciate it. As per usual, the pugs are over here. Pickles is right here. Dolly's down there. You'll hear them snore in the background. So just FYI. So today I am falling down the rabbit hole of bag charms, and I am very late to this trend. I'm not really one to like load up my bag with a lot of accessories. So I might do a bandeau or a twilly on a handle. I may do a bag charm here and there. But for the most part, I pretty much carry bags kind of as is. Here's what I'm carrying this week. And it comes, obviously with this little clochette there. So I kind of think of it already accessorized. However, I'm open to exploring. And this brand, Maison de Sabre, is new to me, but it's been around for quite some time, a few years at least. And I've discovered that they've been doing collabs with a few different brands. So I went down the rabbit hole looking through their website. And I found them actually through an email, I believe, through Neiman Marcus and Bloomingdale's, for this release for the collab with Little Miss and Mr. Men, which I'm a child of the 70s and 80s. So when I was a kid, I read all of those books. I was obsessed with them. I love them. Still hold it near and dear to my heart. I have a little coffee cup with Mr. Happy on it, and that's what I use to make my espressos in on the weekends. And it's just, right here. So when I saw it, it was just like, oh my God. So I shared it on my community post and, just fell in love, tried to decide which one to order. I literally wanted to order them all, quite frankly, but I reserved. I stopped. So I ordered one, and then I ordered another thing off of their website that seemed interesting. So I have both of them here, and we're going to open those up. But as I was saying earlier, they've done other collabs. So there's a Hello Kitty charm on there. I'm trying to remember the other brands that they did, but they have a lot of different items, a lot of different products. So it's a full-on leatherware brand. They have bags and accessories, phone charms, phone cases, as all sorts of SLGs, everything. And I was poking around. They had watch bands, and their Apple Watch band is surprisingly similar to the Hermes band. I mean, even down to like the buckle, it's almost identical. So I'm kind of like wondering how they got away with that. But it's incredibly reasonable, like $40. But if you look at their sustainability and their leather policy and everything, it seems that they source really high-end leather products. So I think it's a good buy. Again, first time buying anything from them. If you've tried anything from them, let me know down below. But I was obsessed. So I ordered one directly from them and one from Nordstrom, and I'm not quite sure which one came from which. I'm assuming this one came from the brand because it's branded with the label from them. And then this one also says it came directly from Maison de Sabre as well, but it's just a plain envelope. So I'm not sure which one's which. I'm going to go ahead and open them up here just because I'm always intrigued to see how things get packaged. And I'm trying to figure out why they need giant bags for whatever they are, but we're going to get into them and see what we got. So this one is in has that, and it has that little box. Let's see if this tells me anything. Oh, it's just their brand information, and then a product care piece of information. I did notice after clicking around a little bit on their site that they do have a 12-month warranty for their products. Didn't see anything about repairs or anything like that, but I have a feeling this will be fine. So this is the one item that I really want to talk about last. So I'm gonna put that aside and go ahead and grab the other one. Talk about that one first. So they come identically packaged. So no matter where you order from, if you order from a third party or directly from them, it looks like they drop ship directly from the vendor. So that's interesting. So same thing, you got a little white card from the brand, and then the little boxes. So this is, yeah, this is the other one. So this one was on sale, and I picked it up because I think I mentioned in a recent post that I lost my passport, which was in a Louis Vuitton case. And I know some of my YouTube friends here have Airtags on their handbags. They have them kind of stuck in their luggage. And I did that when I went to Chicago, but I didn't have like any kind of case. I just like literally threw the Airtag in the suitcase and prayed and hope for the best. But this seemed interesting that it was a little charm that was literally designed to hold the Airtag. So I have one behind me here, right there. It's just a little cute leather two-tone charm. And this comes in a lot of different colors. So I just happen to kind of like the green and the pink. It just, I don't know, kind of called to me, but there was a lot of neutrals, just tons of different shapes. So grab my Airtag here. You just unzip and then stuff your little Airtag inside, and then you're good to go. So there is that component right there on the Montaigne. So that's that item. And then this one is the one that excited me, the collab that they had. And go ahead and guess which one I am, because I think it was autobiographical why I picked this one. And it's a lot smaller looking at the box than what I thought it would be from the pictures on the website, but it'll still be cute nonetheless. But I'll open it up. It's a really nice box though. It must feel like fabric. So this is the one I got. Let me take off the packaging. And this one is Little Miss Bad. And on the back there, it's got the branding. So this one, I think they also had a coin purse size one. And for some reason, I thought I ordered that size and not the Airtag. So this is the Airtag bag charm one. So now I have two, which is totally fine. But this one was, the Airtag one was $89, I believe, and the bag charm, I'm sorry, the coin purse one was I want to say 150, 120. And I guess I just clicked on the wrong one and ordered, and that's fine, no big deal. But it's really well made, very nice stitching on it. So I think it's really good quality. Yeah, I think I'm going to try the watch band and maybe the phone case, because it seemed they had really nice colors. It was just really intriguing to try out. So let me put this one on as well, because, you know, I think the trend is literally to have 105 bag charms on your bag, right? There we go. So there she is, little Miss Bad. That is really cute. And so they have fruit, they have all different kinds of shapes. They have, if you don't want an Airtag charm, they have other bag charms as well that you can purchase. There's a ton of stuff on their website. So I was really intrigued by that. So those are the 2 bag charms I picked up from Maison de Sabre. Like I said, there's a bunch of bags that they make, SLGs. I thought there was one other category, luggage maybe? I think it's luggage that they have as well. So I'm really intrigued to just kind of dabble in there and see. Very reasonably priced for being full leather. So I'm intrigued, definitely interested to see what else I can find from there. So that's what I got. Pickles is snoring. She needs probably to get some pettings, and I'm gonna go, you know, look and see what else they have on their website. So if you have tried this brand before, let me know. Comment down below. I'd love to know what your thoughts are, if it's worth dabbling into their larger bags, trying them out, or if it's really just like an accessory type of brand. It's really intriguing to me. So I will see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.